Welcome to the 1-minute review of the new Tabor RF Signal Generator. We call it Lucid. It comes in 3 different frequency ranges, 3 GHz, 6 GHz and 12 GHz. Its maximum output power is 15 dBm, enough to drive a mixer. It's also spectrally pure. Its non-harmonic spurs are better than 60 dBc. Its phase noise is 125 dBc per hertz at a 10 kHz offset, all the way up to 3 GHz. It's fan cooled, so it stays cool. Its amplitude accuracy is plus or minus 0.5 dBs. You can put an external reference in, or you can use it as a reference if you choose to take the 10 megahertz or 100 megahertz out. The output has has a pulse modulator. You can drive that either from the internal pulse modulator circuit, or you can provide a pulse in to switch the pulse modulator on and off, providing 80 dBs of isolation. It also has internal or external AM and FM modulation. It is USB controlled. It takes a 12-volt power supply, and you can also control it over SPI if you choose to. All in all, a great package.